So, bike check for those who are interested in the 2017 Salsa Pony Rustler, which I built up from a frame set. I currently have about 600 miles in total on it, according to Strava, so take that with a grain of salt. Don't use Strava all the time. This is the forest green color, size medium. I'm 5'10". And let's take a look at the bike. So I built it up from a frame set. So we have a 130 RockShox Pike front suspension fork. I'm currently about 210 pounds all in with all my gear on, helmet, shoes, kit, and hydration pack. And so currently riding about 110 pounds in the front fork, set at 130. The charger is set in 3 clicks and pretty fast on the rebound control. Industry 9 hubs laced up to Reynolds carbon wheels. Currently riding Maxxis Recon 27.5 by 2.8 at 18 pounds in the front. Guide our brakes. Currently loving my Togs and some nice soft grips in through there. Those are the chunkies, so about 70 grams, not too bad. RockShox Marnik in the rear, 120 worth of travel, set at 210 pounds. Rebound is slightly slower, about 4 clicks in, and rebound is roughly about the same. SRAM XX1 carbon crank with a wolf tooth, 28 tooth oval ring in the front, which I really love. Crank arms are 175. They came from an existing bike that I had. Stock for this bike is a 170 crank arm, and I do definitely have a fair amount of pedal strikes, as you can see from my XT pedals with the bottom bracket height set. SRAM XX1 rear derailleur. Standard 11-speed cassette, 180 rotors in the front and the rear, and the RockShox reverb mounted with a WTB saddle with chromo rails. 20 pounds in the rear, same thing though, Recon 27.5 by 2.8, riding 21 pounds in the rear. Love the bike. The thing is quite an animal. 2 weeks from now, you guys are going to get set up because this is going to go head-to-head with the 2018 Santa Cruz Hightower, also with a 27.5 build, and that's going to be a 150 travel front fork with a 135 in the rear. So it'll be really interesting to see how 2 bikes are going to work together. Like, subscribe, and leave your comments. Cheers.